In these training sessions, we will delve into the process of building images using the Yocto build system for i.MX8M processors from NXP. For the demonstration, I will be working with two different development kits, i.MX8M-Q EDK from NXP and IMX8M Industrial Development Kit from Wojtek. In the first section, we will set up, prepare, build, and flash an image in Linux virtual machine using the IMX8M Evaluation Kit from NXP. We will go step by step, from downloading the operating system, virtual machine setup, Ubuntu system setup, drivers and packages installations, and basically through the whole preparation process of image building and image flashing. And in the next section, we will port, build and flash an image in Windows using the IMX8M development kit from Wojtek.